Hi friends, welcome to my channel Maths for Pathways. In this video, I am sharing with you the paper number 1 for biology standard level May 2000. This is a multiple choice question paper. 30 questions are there which you have to complete in 45 minutes. First question is, what is organelle? So four options are given over here. First is a specialized structure within a cell, a female organism, a structure found in the cytoplasm of prokaryotic cells. And fourth point is an organ of the female reproductive system. For this, the answer is A. Now we are on second question. Which function is carried out by flagellum of a prokaryote? Answer number is B. That is the movement of the whole cell from one place to another. Now the third question is, what is needed for osmosis to occur? Answer over here is B. That is 1 and 2 only, means a concentration gradient of solutes as well as a partially permeable membrane 3. The fourth question is, what causes the chromosomes of an animal cell to move to opposite ends of the cell during mitosis? Answer over here is A. That is microtubules. Then is question number 5. Nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur are non-metallic elements. Are they needed by living organism? The answer number is D. Nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur all are needed. Then comes the question number 5. The diagram below shows a triglyceride. So over here there is a diagram in which 1, 2, 3 and 4 is being given. Which arrow points to a bond formed by consideration between a fatty acid and a glycerol? That is, answer is C. Then we come to question number 7. What is formed by hydrolysis of dipeptides? Answer is D. Amino acid. Which graph shows the effect of substrate concentration on enzyme activity? The answer is B. Now it's question number 9. DNA is made up of three components: deoxyribose, phosphate and bases. What is the maximum number of components that deoxyribose is linked to in a DNA molecule? The answer is B. 2 phosphates and 1 base. Then is question number 10. What is replicated by a semi-conservative process? The answer is D. That is DNA only. Question number 11 is, in which process is transfer RNA involved? Answer is D. That is translation. Question number 12. What technique is used in DNA profiling? Answer is C. That is gel electrophoresis. Question number 13. It has been given base deletion and substitution are types of gene mutation. What base sequence could be formed by these types of mutation from the sequence ACGGT Answer is B. Then is question number 14. In which stage in meiosis is the chromosome number reduced from diploid to haploid? That is answer C. When chromosomes move to opposite ends of the cell during the first division of meiosis. Question number 15 is, Huntington's chorea is a rare degenerative disease which usually develops when a person is between 30 and 45 years of age and leads to death within a few years. It is caused by a dominant allele. If one parent of two children develops Huntington's chorea but the other parent does not, what is the probability that both of the children will develop the disease? The answer is 4. That is 1 by 4. It means among 4, 1. 16th question is the pattern of inheritance of sex linked genes in the same Drosophila as in humans. Eye color in Drosophila is controlled by a sex linked gene. The allele for red eye is dominant over the allele for white eye. A red eye male mates with a white eyed female. Which eye occurs are found in the offspring? So, four options are given over here, and the answer is C, that if it's a male offspring, all red, and if it's a female offspring, then all white. You have to calculate and then give the answer. It's not like that you will be just means without thinking or without applying your mind, you will be writing the answer. It will be completely wrong. What is a disadvantage of genetic screening? Answer is C. People who find out that they have a genetic disease may become depressed. Then the next question, number 18th, is in ecology, a series of terms is used, each of which includes more species than the previous one. What is this series? That is B, population, community, and biosphere. Then is question number 19. One aspect of a plant known as Erythricium nanum is described in the following passage. Erythricium nanum is found at high altitude in mountains of the northern hemisphere. It grows in small cracks in either sandstone or dolomitic limestone rock. What is the aspect described? Community, ecology, ecosystem, or habitat? This is habitat. That is answer D. Then the question is, what is expected shape of pyramid of energy for a food chain that consists of trees, leaf-eating beetles, and birds that eat the beetles? The answer is C. Then the graph is being given. The graph shows a sigmoid population growth curve for a population in which there was no migration. So over here the population size as well as the time is being given. Which statement correctly describes the population during the phase marked Y? Okay. So four options are given and the answer is A. Natality is decreasing or mortality is increasing. Then is 22nd question. What is essential for natural selection to occur? A. Variation between members of species. B. A large population size. C. A high mortality rate. D. Environmental change. Answer is A. Variation between members of species. Then is 23rd question. The soil pH of sites where Agrostis tenuis and Primula veris grows is shown in the frequency distribution below. What is the difference in between the two sets of the ecological data? Answer is C, that the standard deviation for the sites where Agrostis tenuis grows is higher. So you can just compare in among the two. Then is 24th. What are the sources in humans of digestive system shown in the table? Answer is D, pancreas or mouth and pancreas. I will be not sharing with you the 25th question because it's been given. The diagram below shows some of the organs of the human body. As such, I am not having that diagram, so I cannot show you that diagram and give you the answer. So when I will be getting a diagram from somewhere, the proper question, then only I will be able to discuss this 25th question. Then is 26th question. Two of the chambers of the heart have relatively thin walls. One has thick wall and one has very thick walls. What is the relative thickness of the walls of each of the chambers? Answer is D. Left and right atria is having the thin walls. Right ventricle is having thick walls. Left ventricle is having very thick walls. What feature is found in capillaries but not in arteries or veins? The answer for 27th is pores. Then is question number 28. Why is infection with HIV, that is human immunodeficiency virus, associated with many different symptoms? The answer is C. The immune system stops functioning properly, so many different diseases causing organism can invade the body. 29th question. What is placed into the uterus after the process of in vitro fertilization, that is IVF? The answer is C, that is embryos. So now we come with the last question, that is the 30th question. Which hormones control the contraction of muscles in the uterus wall? Answer is B. Progesterone inhibits it and oxytocin stimulates it. Thank you. This ends the test paper. Means this ends with the test paper of May 2000, that is the paper 1, which was for 45 minutes and 30 questions were there. You have to choose among the four answers. This was a MCQ type of questions. Now in my next video, I will be sharing with you paper 2 for the standard level biology May 2000. If you like our channel, please subscribe our channel and please share this video with more and more of your friends so that this video may be helpful to each and every student who is studying in IB. Thank you.